Why is the design of a new model sometimes disappointing compared to the previous one? To get the idea of why, I conducted an online survey last October to listen to the thoughts of designers about this issue. I'd like to send my thanks to the designers who participated in the survey. And finally, I'm going to share the results of the survey with you today. Excluding the one careless responding, I've analyzed 38 responses from the United States, Europe, and Korea. Most of the respondents were in-house designers at a large-sized company, have worked for more than 13 years. I asked them to assess how much influence the following factors have on the consistency of design quality. The consistency of design quality in this survey is a collective term for design factors that may influence customers who are disappointed with a new design compared to a previous version. The meaning of this term may be interpreted differently depending on the job details respondents are responsible for. Now, let me introduce 5 factors that designers have rated as the most influential in the consistency of design quality. Number 1. Design decision-making. 97% of respondents replied that design decision-making influences the consistency of design quality high or very high. They answered that design decision-making influences the consistency of design quality in the following order. Whether different departments collaborate well in making design decisions, 42%. Whether a designer is authorized to make design decisions, 34%. Whether design decisions are kept in the manufacturing process, 19%. It shows that manufacturers need a corporate-level strategy to maintain the consistency of design quality, not just a design strategy. Number 2. Research and development. 87% of respondents replied that research and development influence the consistency of design quality high or very high. They answered that research and development influence the consistency of design quality in the following order. Issues with the method, quality, and organizational competence of research on the user and the usage environment, be it literal or cultural, 68%. Insufficient research and poor reflection of trends in design and technology, 21%. It shows that manufacturers should conduct user research very accurately every time they develop a new model. Number 3. Strategy and planning. 84% of respondents replied that strategy and planning influence the consistency of design quality high or very high. They answered that strategy and planning influence the consistency of design quality in the following order. Whether the design identity of the manufacturer is established, 21%. Whether the manufacturer has a design strategy, 21%. Whether the design strategy of the manufacturer is correct and based on sufficient data, 18%. Whether the design strategy of the manufacturer has consistency, 16%. Whether the manufacturer has a design philosophy, 16%. This result shows that manufacturers need correct and consistent design strategy based on sufficient data to keep the consistency of design quality. It just doesn't matter whether they name the strategy as a design identity or a design philosophy. Number 4. Manufacturing technology. 76% of respondents replied that manufacturing technology influences the consistency of design quality high or very high. They answered that manufacturing technology influences the consistency of design quality in the following order. Poor quality control in manufacturing, for example, material management, mold quality, finish quality, and so on, 68%. The processing and manufacturing technology levels are low, 18%. This result shows that it's needed to cooperate with manufacturing departments to maintain the consistency of design quality, like the same conclusion as the previous question about design decision-making. Number 5. Timeline and goal management. 66% of respondents replied that timeline and goal management influence the consistency of design quality high or very high. They answered that timeline and goal management influence the consistency of design quality in the following order. Objectives are absent, unclear, or constantly changing, 39%. There are repeated cuts, delays, or changes to the schedule, 39%. Changes are made to the schedule and objectives, but not to the budget, 16%. It also reaches the same conclusion that corporate competence influences the consistency of design quality. Replies of factors rated as the 6th and 7th influential in the consistency of design quality, like excessive cost reduction and frequent replacement of key personnel, also support the same conclusion. Let me wrap this up. The designers have selected 5 factors, the most influential in the consistency of design quality, to get the answer to the question, why is the design of a new model sometimes disappointing compared to the previous one? In order from highest to lowest, these are design decision-making, research and development, strategy and planning, manufacturing technology, and timeline and goal management. My finding in this survey is that designers think the consistency of design quality comes from corporate competence, not just the design department. It means that whether the design of a new model is better or not compared to the previous one depends on the competence of the whole company. How'd you like it? Is it exactly what you thought? Or do you have a different idea? I'd like to hear what's on your mind on this survey. If you have any comments, opinions, or questions, please leave a comment. And also, if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.